The winner, our NFC record is 5 minutes. So at least you must be doing 2 minutes. Are we ready? On 5, take your positions. Plank mode activated. Plank mode activated. Plank mode activated. Please give them gap. We have a stopwatch. Can you see my accurate timekeeper? A round of applause for him. Everybody make a clap for my timekeeper now. Are we ready? I'm only going to give 1 chance. Once I touch you, you need to leave. On 5, 4, on 3. Immediately after this one, we go for the men's plank challenge. The record in the house for the men, 9 minutes. I hope somebody's going to break it today. On 5, 4, coaches, you guys be on ground. On 3, 2, 1, time starts now. Anybody correct them? Madam, I'm not just going to correct you once. Lower your waist. No, she's good. Lower your waist, madam, lower your waist. Keep your head up. Lower your waist. Yeah, that's what I want. Can you, madam, can you raise your body up? Yeah, that's it. Can you tell her what is the time now? 15 seconds. 16, 17, 18. Madam, just one more time and you're out. 20, 21. Raise your waist. Once I touch it again, you're out. What? 36 seconds. No, go out. 37, 38, 40 seconds. If I touch you again, you're out. Come, go, raise up, raise up. What? Oh, go. Keep your head up. What is it? 50 seconds. 51, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58. Madam, come up. If I touch you again, you're out. 1 more minute. 1 minute. Madam, go out. What time is it? Timekeeper. Timekeeper, where are you? Oh, God, you are the time. No. Out. What is it? 40, 64. What time is it? 35 seconds to 2 minutes. Madam, if I touch you, okay, you're out. Madam, hey, raise your chest. If I touch you, raise your waist up. If I touch you again, you're out. Madam, raise your waist up. If I come again, you're out. What time is it? What time is it? 45 seconds, 15 seconds to 2 minutes. 47, 48, 50. Madam, get up. If I touch you again, okay, out. Where's it? 2 minutes. Last man standing. We start counting last man standing. Madam, your waist, if I touch you, your waist, Madam, your waist, if I touch you again, you are out. This is my second time. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Give me your time. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. No. Madam, you're too low. If I touch you again, you are out. If I touch you again, you are out. Give me your time. Hey, don't crowd them. Don't crowd them. Don't crowd them. Don't crowd them. Don't crowd them, apart from the coaches. 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Madam, if I count you again, you are out. Don't crowd them. Don't crowd them. Go. Don't crowd them. Oscar, move. Hold on, girl. What is the minute? 3 minutes. 3 minutes 10. Let's go. 3 minutes. Don't crowd them now. Habib, don't crowd them. You want to suffocate them? Give them space. Thank you very much. Can you go out? What time is it? Madam, go back. Out. Madam, if I count again, you are too low. You are too low. Yeah. Nana, madam, out. You are too low. Give them space now. Why? Hey! Everybody, hey, Oga, can you move out? No. No. You are out. No. This is not Frank. This is not Frank. Madam, out. No. I already told you. No. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Oh. Come up. Come up. Yes. What time is it? 4 minutes 12. 4 minutes. Hey. Can you give them space? 4 minutes 21. Okari. Men. 4 minutes 21. I'm not proud of my kids on my low viral. Come on.
I have the one for the other. When they give us your own is different.
No, I need to keep from one to fair, but what my hand over here. Come on. Yeah? No. It's only for workout people. Check over your table. Check out your table. I don't bear wool. Okay, guys. All right. All the men. Where's our winner? Our winner. What's your name? Blessing. A round of applause for Blessing. 4 minutes 21 seconds. 4 minutes 21 seconds. A new season record, not our national record, but a season 2024 record. 4 minutes 21. One more time, can you give it up? And courtesy of Kokari Sweat, you get 1 pack of.
How do you feel winning the challenge?
I feel good. I'm happy.
Have you been practicing at home?
Yeah, I work out.
Okay.
But the highest I've done at home is 3 minutes.
So today is like a miracle for you.
Yeah.
All right. Congratulations.